Hello everyone, welcome to Dandan Chinese. I'm Dandan. Today we are going to learn this character. This is 美, 美, 美. Does that sound familiar? Yes. There's a word called 美国, means America. It's the same character. So let's see, what's this character originally like? It's like this. So can you guess the meaning of the character? It means beautiful. And the traditional character is the same as the simplified character. Now let's see how we're gonna remember this character. I'll give you two ways to remember it. The first way. Actually, this character was invented based on this picture. So, what's this like? The top part is a feather hat, and the bottom part is a human being. So, in ancient China, when you wear a feather hat, that looks beautiful. Okay, let's see the second way to remember. Actually, this character can be divided into two parts. And if you change the top part a little bit, it becomes a new character. That is sheep. And the bottom part means big. So, why is big sheep beautiful? Actually, it means delicious. So in Chinese, delicious is 美味, still have this character in it. Okay, can you remember it now? It's time for us to write this character. Now I hope you could prepare a pen and a piece of paper so we can write it together. We are going to write this character for 3 times. Are you ready? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 strokes in this character. Now let's write it again. The last time. Okay, I hope you could practice it by yourself at home. Now let's see how to use this character. First usage of this character is used as an adjective, means beautiful. For example, 美丽, 美丽. 美 means beautiful, and 丽 also means beautiful, pretty. So 美丽 means beautiful, pretty. 美人, 美人. 人 means people, person. So beautiful people. That always means the woman. So 美人 means beautiful woman. The second usage of the character means make something beautiful. So it used as a verb. For example, make your hair beautiful. That is 美发, because 发 means your hair. Make your face beautiful. 美容,美容,容 have the meaning of face. Okay, so much for 美 today. I'll see you next time. Bye!